FDB Review and Training Center, empowering minds, building futures. Welcome to FDB Estimates Pro, your smart solution to automated construction estimation. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of efficiently extracting data from structural plans, inputting them into the user form, and generating an automated estimate for a reinforced concrete one-way slab using FDB Estimates Pro. Let's get started. Structural plans should be readily available for reference. In this example, we will use the second floor plan and one-way slab details as shown. To proceed with the estimation, we need to divide the floor plan into rectangular sections. In our case, we will segregate it into 4 sections. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4. This strategy allows for more accurate input and calculation in FDB Estimates Pro. With all the data available, we can now start estimating. Let's begin by accessing the main menu. Navigate to the Estimate sheet and click on RC one-way slab to open the user input form. The figure illustrates the structural configuration of the one-way slab, providing a clear reference for accurate data input and better understanding of the estimation process. Let's begin by inputting the data for slab section 1 into the user form. Ensure accuracy by referring to the structural plans before proceeding. Number of units, 1. Dimension along main slab axis, 4.25 meters. Dimension across main slab axis, 14.9 meters. Slab thickness, 150 millimeters. Positive moment reinforcement. These are bottom bars along the direction of one-way slab. Diameter, 12 millimeters. Spacing at midspan, 125 millimeters. Spacing at support, 250 millimeters. This is usually double the spacing of the mid-pin bars for bend of cut 1F2. Negative moment reinforcement. These are top bars provided at supports along the direction of one-way slab. Diameter, 12 millimeters. Spacing, 125 millimeters. Temperature bars. These are provided across the direction of one-way slab. Diameter, 12 millimeters. Spacing, 250 millimeters. Concrete strength, 4,000 psi. Grade 33 rebars. Estimating allowances. 5% for concrete and 10% for steel. Floor topping. 50 millimeters thick with 1:2 cement sand ratio. Review the input data carefully before proceeding with the estimate generation. Once confirmed, click the Estimate button to compute the required materials and costs for slab S1. Observe as the program systematically generates the materials, descriptions, quantities, and costs for each item. Allow the process to complete. Let's now append the data for slab section 2. Input data. Number of units, 1. Dimension along main slab axis, 8.3 meters. Dimension across main slab axis, 12.9 meters. Since we are appending, the material specifications remain the same as slab S1. Click the Estimate button to generate quantities and costs, which will be added to the existing estimate. Let's now append the data for slab section 3. Input data. Number of units, 1. Dimension along main slab axis, 7 meters. Dimension across main slab axis, 13.5 meters. Since we are appending to the same slab S1, the material specifications remain the same as slab section 1. Click the Estimate button to generate quantities and costs, which will be added to the existing estimate. Let's now append the data for last slab section for input data. Number of units, 1. Dimension along main slab axis, 3.8 meters. Dimension across main slab axis, 9 meters. With the append option active, the material specification fields remain disabled to maintain uniformity across all appended slabs. Click the Estimate button to generate the quantities and costs, which will be added to the existing estimate for slab sections 1, 2 and 3. With FDB Estimates Pro, material estimation goes beyond just the structural components. The software also calculates formworks and architectural finishes, eliminating the need for separate estimates. This integrated approach ensures a more efficient and streamlined estimating process. Since the estimate generation is complete, you may now close the user input form. Review the generated output and make any necessary modifications before inserting the estimate data into the BOM detail sheet for consolidation. With FDB Estimates Pro, material estimation goes beyond just the structural components. The software also calculates formworks and architectural finishes, eliminating the need for separate estimates. This integrated approach ensures a more efficient and streamlined estimating process. If you encounter any issues, feel free to check the README file or contact our support team. Thanks for choosing FDB Estimates Pro, your smart solution for automated construction estimation. Thanks and enjoy estimating.